Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Volkswagen Atlas, and we're going to do the side door chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the side trims. It's just a regular chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it gives the vehicle a more sportier look, and also showing you the difference with the matte and the gloss. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So before we start with the installation for the side trim, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep the panel, all you need is water and baby shampoo mixed together. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and just start removing all the contaminants that each panel may have. And then once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive is able to stick to the panel and the water does not damage the adhesive. So make sure everything is clean and dry before we start with the installation. So once you have your panel ready and prepped, now we can start with the installation. We just start off by placing the film here. That way you have both hands to work around this area here, and just carefully move the mirror in case it is in the way. Now all you need to do is align the film to the edge here. Once you align it, make sure you have coverage on the top and bottom. Now we're carefully going to lift the film and start aligning it to the panel. And you could use this lower section of the panel as the guide to align the film. So just follow the design until you reach it to the edge here, and you should have enough material to cover the top here. So now that we finished placing the film, the next step, grab our squeegee and start removing any air that's trapped behind the film, and also just tagging it down to secure it. And with this one, we're going to apply heat right now. The reason being is just so we can help the adhesive activate faster, and we could see what will be excess material and what is actually covering the chrome panel. So then once we finish applying heat and the film sits on the panel, then we can trim off the excess material. Okay, so just go all around the panel, apply heat, and tack everything down with your squeegee. Once we're done, we'll trim off the excess material. Okay, and now with your finger, create the outline so we can know where we're going to need to trim the excess material. And then once you created your outline, you would grab your blade and trim off the excess material on the top and on the side. Okay, and now that we trimmed off extra material, apply heat one more time just to help tack down any edges that are lifting after we trimmed off the material. And then the same steps that were done here, repeat it to this side. It's the same concept. Align it from one end, work your way, tack it down, then trim off extra material, apply heat, and then you're done. So apply heat and then we'll move on to the next one. So for the last piece for the side windows, with this one, align the film to the design of the panel and just make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the top. So if you need to readjust it, you can. Just make sure you follow it, and just follow the lower section of the panel to align the film. And then after you align it and place it, you grab your squeegee and start tagging it down. So just like that. And we're going to apply heat like how we did it with the other ones before we trim off the excess material. So just grab your heat gun, go all over the film, That way the film starts tacking down to the panel and also helping it tack down around the curve here. Grab your squeegee and just help it tack down to secure it since we applied heat, and then we will trim off any excess material. So with this one, you could lift the film to see where you need to trim. So it's going to be here. So just place the film and create the outline, and just go around with the rest of the film, create the outline, and then just trim off the excess material. And now just apply heat one more time, just to tack down any film that's lifting after we trim. And once you're done, we're going to post heat the entire panel. So once you're done installing the window trim, you grab your heat gun and start applying heat all over the film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And if there's still any film lifting, we'll help it tack down by applying heat. So just take your time when you're doing this step, and once you're done, post-heating everything, you should be done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete for the 2022 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport Edition. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.